AMPSEAL 16 contacts. TE Connectivity's AMPSEAL 16 contacts are stamped and formed style contacts. Sold on reels or as loose pieces, they are made of copper alloy and are plated with either gold or nickel for corrosion resistance. The 1.58mm AMPSEAL 16 contacts accept size 14 to 20 gauge wire or 2mm squared to 0.5mm squared wire. Crimping AMPSEAL 16 contacts using hand tools. For this demonstration, a 2119118-1 hand crimp tool is being used. This style of tool will crimp size 1.58mm AMPSEAL 16 contacts that accept size 18 to 20 gauge wire or 0.8mm squared to 0.5mm squared wire. To crimp size 14 to 18 gauge wire or 2mm squared to 0.8mm squared wire, use the 91337-1 hand crimp tool. Begin with a stripped wire. Cycle the crimp tool to the open position. Place the contact into the correct die nest. Partially close the tool until the contact is held in place. Insert the stripped wire into the contact. Squeeze the handles closed until the ratchet releases. The ratchet will only release when the tool is fully closed and the crimp is complete. Inspect the crimp by referring to the AMPSEAL 16 Contact Crimp Inspection section of this video segment. AMPSEAL 16 Contact Crimp Inspection. For AMPSEAL 16 contacts, correct crimp assembly can be checked by measuring the height and width of the crimp. Consult drawings for full specifications. Unacceptable crimps on AMPSEAL 16 contacts would include wire strands not visible on both sides of the conductor crimp, wire strands that are missing, flayed, or curved outside the crimp. This will produce a bad crimp even if the wire is captured into the crimped area. Damaged wire strands, including any wires that are cut or bent. Insulation wings that are not tightly wrapped around the wire insulation can create problems with contact insertion and removal.